CONNECTExplorer contains a handful of specialized measurement tools that will allow you to make complex analytic measurements. This video will cover the following tools: slope, XYZ, link portal, and coverage. It is recommended that you first watch the video entitled Introduction to Measurement Tools, Distance, and Area to understand the basics of measuring. To access the measurement tools, click on the Measure Annotate icon in the upper right corner of the screen, represented by a wrench and screwdriver. The first specialized tool in this video is the slope tool, which will allow you to measure the slope and pitch of an elevated surface, such as a roof. When you activate this tool, your image window will automatically transition to dual pane mode. If you are not familiar with this setting and its associated preferences, please watch the dual pane video in this series. It is very important that before using this tool, you ensure that both sides of the dual pane are set to the same image library. Failure to do so may yield an inaccurate result. Once in dual pane, you will need to orient the image in each pane so that one side is viewing the structure from an oblique perspective and the other from an orthogonal perspective. From here, instructions appear on your screen, directing you where to make a specific sequence of single clicks. First, click on the roof peak within the left pane. Make your second click within the same pane on the eave of the roof. Your third click now needs to happen in the right pane on the roof peak. Try your best to click on the exact same point as your initial click. Finally, on the right side, make your fourth click on the eave of the roof, the exact same point as your second click. A measurement bubble will appear, providing you with a slope, elevation difference, distance, and pitch measurement of that roof section. When finished, you can close dual pane by clicking the dual pane button or by selecting any other measurement or annotation tool. The XYZ tool allows you to obtain latitude, longitude, and an elevation measurement from a point that is above the ground, such as the peak of a roof, bridge, pole, or tower. This tool behaves in a very similar fashion as the slope tool, as it automatically goes into dual pane mode upon activation. As with the slope tool, ensure both sides of dual pane are set to the same image library and that you are viewing the structure from two different perspectives. On the left side, make a single click on a point that is off the ground. Now on the right side, make a second single click on the exact same point. The three measurements will appear in the results bubble. Note that the elevation value represents the height above sea level for the point in space you requested. Another very useful tool is the link portal tool, which allows you to add your iLookabout, Bing Street View, or Google Street View imagery directly within your CONNECTExplorer workflow. This tool makes the connection between a streaming imagery service, such as the ones mentioned above, with your pictometry imagery. To set up this tool, click the Link Portal tool on the third row of the measurement tools. Below in the Link Portal options, you are given a space to add a URL, which will be the web address of the image service you are trying to connect. If you are an iLookabout customer, you will be prompted to enter a username and password to access this imagery. Free image services such as Bing and Google Street View do not require a password. Now, simply click on the imagery where a new window will open containing the Street View imagery, a roadmap, and an aerial photo. The three smaller windows are synchronized and allow you to pan and rotate the imagery in any direction you choose. If you do not wish to see the roadmap, you can unselect it at the top of the new window. If you'd like to expand the size of this new window, click Full Page located at the top of the window. Once expanded, you can further customize the windows that you are viewing by selecting or unselecting the options at the top of the page. Your Link Portal tool is still engaged within CONNECTExplorer, so any subsequent clicks will pull up new Street View and aerial imagery for your desired location. In the Tool Options menu, you can choose to have the Link Portal window automatically open up as a new browser tab, which can be done by clicking the checkbox marked Open in New Tab. Only one image service can be connected at a time. To view a different imagery source, simply change the URL within the Link Portal options. Like all preferences, the URL will be remembered for future logins. The final tool that we will show you is the Coverage tool. Click this tool on the right-hand side of the screen and then click on the image pane. A box appears providing a list of every image that is available to you at a given location. The bolded letters indicate the state, the first 4 letters of the city, county, or organization that purchased the imagery, and then the year the imagery was captured. The other information in this box tells you which zoom levels and orientations are available. To view all available images, please watch the videos on navigation, rotation, image views, and historical imagery.